In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep QuickBooks online in classic view. If your account recently switched you to the new experience, you can return to the classic layout in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for and how to confirm the change, so your workspace feels familiar again. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company and landing on the home page. Once you're in, look for a highlighted notice, banner, or link that mentions the new experience or returning to the previous experience. QuickBooks often places this message near the top or in a visible area of the dashboard to make it easy to find. When you see that highlighted option, select it to open the switch prompt. Next, choose the switch option. This is the command that tells QuickBooks you want to move back to the classic or previous experience. After you click switch, a small feedback window or panel will appear. Don't worry, this is standard. It helps QuickBooks understand why users prefer the classic view, and it won't take more than a moment. In that feedback window, you'll see a prompt that says, "Please tell us the primary reason for switching to the previous experience." Optional. Because it's optional, you can proceed without adding details, but if you want a quick choice that keeps things moving, select not the right time. This simply communicates that you're not ready to use the new layout right now, which is perfectly fine. Once you've made that selection, click Send to submit your response and finalize the switch. QuickBooks will process your choice and reload your account in the classic view. Give it a moment to refresh. If the interface doesn't update immediately, a quick browser refresh usually resolves it. At this point, you should be back in the classic layout. Keep in mind that this preference can be tied to your user login and company file, so if you manage multiple companies, you may need to repeat the same steps for each one. Also, QuickBooks may occasionally prompt you again about the new experience. If that happens, just use the same switch option and send your feedback as before. That's all you need to keep QuickBooks online in classic view. Open your account, select the highlighted option, click switch, choose not the right time if you'd like, and send. Enjoy working in the layout you know, and move forward with confidence in your day-to-day accounting.